Hey guys, so this is my first video of 2021 and hopefully it won't be my only video in 2021. I decided to do a quick video just to not necessarily do an update, but like just to kind of set up the next videos, because I obviously have been MIA from my channel for a while and I am hoping to come back. I've been hoping to come back to my channel for so long, but the thing is I have actually been recording stuff, I just haven't gotten it edited, and so that's like, yeah, that's the excuse kind of thing. I'm pretty sure that the entire half of 2020 I filmed a bunch of videos, but I just don't remember what they are, so I will be discovering them as I post them. But I wanted to let you guys know that some of the videos you're gonna watch are old content. Yeah, so I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna post videos in retrospect kind of thing. Anyways, so this is a new year and hopefully this is the start of me posting more regularly on YouTube, and I hope everybody has been doing okay with everything that's been happening in the world. I know everybody has been affected. I know we've all been affected in varying degrees and different ways, but I hope that, you know, you're doing okay. And for those of you who joined my channel after I stopped posting videos, thank you for subscribing. Yeah. And for those of you who stayed subscribed, thank you for staying subscribed, even though I haven't been posting anything. So thank you. So 2020 was a lot. I don't think I want to go into the details of 2020 just yet, but I will say that I'm glad it's over, and I'm really hoping for a different year this year. Yeah, like I mean, like everybody else, I'm hoping for a better year, and I hope that, you know, things not get back to normal, but things get better than what they used to be for me and for everybody. Like I hope that 2020 was like a transformational, like I'm trying to look at it as like, you know, we're all kind of going through different things in our lives and it was only to make us better. So yeah, so I hope we all come out of it better than we were before. The good news that did happen in 2020 at the end is that we finally bought a house and we moved. We're still settling into our place, so my videos are not going to be necessarily like properly filmed. Like right now, the camera is sitting on a window by the windowsill kind of thing. So I think that'll be the case for a while. I do have a tripod, but I can't find stuff right now. We've not yet unpacked, but it is great news for us to have moved. And yeah, like I'm really happy that I get to be living and dreaming about our new place and our new life in this new place. And it just felt like such a gift to be able to move at the end of the year. And it all happened so quickly because we weren't like looking for very long. Yeah, and the place that we got, like we went to see it on a Sunday, put in an offer, got it before Christmas, like within a week or two of everything. So everything closed very quickly. So we got to move pretty quickly. So it's really nice to be able to start 2021 in a new sort of environment with like new hopes and new dreams and that sort of thing. So that's something that I'm holding on to pretty dearly right now. So I'm going to end this video now because I know that I'm going to be posting other content. How I'm going to be posting it, I do not know. Like some of it is old, some of it is new. It'll make sense what's new and what's old, but just, yeah, kind of take it as, you know, I mean, in theory, like because of everything that's happening in the world, it feels like time hasn't moved anyway. So in some ways, maybe there's no such thing as old content, I guess. But yeah, so I'll post a couple of more relevant like videos that are nowish, but then I will also be putting in videos that are like older videos, like that I filmed last year. But either way, I hope you're all doing well, and yeah, hopefully we'll get this channel back, and we'll, you know, I'd love to hear how everybody else is doing. Maybe one day I'll be able to share my 2020 adventures, but I'm so not anywhere near being able to do so right now. But I feel better than I did before, and yeah, like I feel more like at peace, or more in the acceptance stages of things right now. So yeah, I'm doing okay, and I would love to hear how you're doing, especially those of you that I used to talk to a lot and I haven't spoken to in so long. My YouTube friends. Yeah, I hope everybody's doing well, especially under the circumstances. Yeah, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.